Senator Kina.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I rise to make some comments on this statement by the distinguished Senator, Senator Hamida Kibwana, on gaps on neonatal care in health facilities countrywide. Mr. Speaker, even before I begin to comment on this statement, let me appreciate the work that Senator Hamida has been doing in this parliament. Mr. Speaker, I worked with the distinguished senator when she was developing an e-health bill. She called it an e-health bill. But funny enough, the Ministry of Health took over, plagiarized 99.9% of her bill and brought it to this House and changed the title of the bill and called it Digital Health Bill. This is one thing that has really bothered me for a very long time. Because we work day and night to be able to think through. But somebody in the Ministry of Health just sit down there and say there's a very good bill here, but if it goes in as a government bill, it achieves that progress and the bill becomes an act of parliament. If the Ministry of Health, Mr. Speaker, had taken some time and consult the distinguished Senator, Senator Hamida, these issues of these gaps would not have been there. Because it is not just the content or the context. It is the thought behind it. It is sad. I was listening to the Cabinet Secretary earlier today here. One, lecturing senators, which I think was uncouth. Number two, also saying that every county government must now submit, records on mortality in their counties, and not really addressing the issues. Because what happens? You can then say this is the data we have on how many kids are dying. But what have you done as a ministry? If your job is to be able to plagiarize legislations developed by this House, then why don't you go a step higher and consult that member of parliament who developed that legislation? Mr. Speaker, I sit in the Health Committee, and these are some of the challenges that we face. Even when we are going through developing legislation, some people will be sitting down somewhere. Even some names which are being mentioned earlier today here. They will sit and they'll come and tell you, look, what the government wants. And after that, they are the ones who are heading that ministry. Mr. Speaker, if we can implement this now, which is Senator Hamida's mind in her e-health proposals, which is now a digital health bill or act, we should be able to identify these gaps. It is sad. We're in the 21st century now. But sometimes you'll find that in other parts of this country, just because of either the wrong prescription, you end up finding certain conditions to a situation where their own body becomes sepsis. So it is imperative, Mr. Speaker, that we follow through on implementations on legislation that are developed here. If then the Ministry of Health wants to be the one to draft legislation and we just become a conveyor belt to pass through, then they should be answering these questions. How? Why is it that newborns are missing essential health care? So, Mr. Speaker, this bill or this statement that has been brought by Senator Hamida is very important. And I want to request the distinguished senator to take some time and go in and sit down with the Ministry of Health. Tell them, you took my bill. You brought it here, you passed it. You forced us to pass it. Now, how are we going to implement it? Because this is an issue of implementation, lack of implementation. Otherwise, we'd be able to keep...
Senator Chiraghe.